Hi guys! Welcome back to MDPL, my daily podcast live. We talk about the adventure of hiking. Back again with MDPL MC. My name is Muti and I'm Nora. So today we're not alone, guys. We actually have a special guest for you guys. So let me introduce our special guest. Could you guys please introduce yourself first?
Hello, I'm Hisham.
Okay, hello Isham and Fatah. It's a pleasure for us for having you guys here. So before we start the question, do you guys want some instant noodles?
Yes.
Okay, I want to. I'll cook for you guys. Okay, so we're going to talk about Hisham and Fatah hiking experience, right?
Yeah.
So we let's start to the first questions. Okay, could you guys please tell us how many times you guys have been on hiking expedition?
I've been climbing for time in
Oh.
three mountains.
Okay, so Hisham has been climbed 4 times in 3 mountains. How about you, Fatah?
Actually, I've been climbed 3 times in
Oh.
2 months.
Okay, so Fatah has been climbed in 3 times in 2 mountains. Could you guys please tell us which mountains is that? Okay, let's start from Fatah. Okay.
I have been to Mount Ngara and Mount Prau.
Okay, how about you, Hisham?
For me, number one is Mount Elamoyo.
Oh, Mount Talamoyo. Okay, where is that? Is that Magelang? Is that hard to climb?
Not
Okay, no. Okay. What about the two others? The other two.
number two is Mount Nungara.
Oh, Mount Nungaran.
Number three, Mount Prau.
Okay. Wow, so you guys have been on Mount Prowis. Are you guys in the same event or something?
We
Oh,
actually climbed together at that time.
okay. It's quite interesting, you guys. They've been climbed together on Mount Prau. So we've heard about the answer of the question number one. So before we move on to the question number two, the noodle is already prepared. This is for Hisham, and this is for Fatah.
Careful. Yeah. Thanks.
This is for Nora. Thank you. And this is for me. Okay, guys, can you share your knowledge about what to prepare before hiking a mountain? So, who wants to answer first?
Okay, I'll answer that.
Okay.
The first day first, yeah, the most important part is, of course, mentally and physically prepared before we do climb a mountain.
Could you please tell us why we have to be mentally and physically prepared, Fatah?
Because climbing mountain is required a perfect physical condition
Oh.
because the nature condition is unpredictable, so we have to be prepared all the time. And
So, how to prepare your physical and mental?
for physical preparation, we could do jogging or running for about 30 minutes a day. And for mentally, we have to, encourage ourselves.
Okay. So why we have to prepare our mental condition before we hike? And how long do you guys prepare your physical and mental condition?
Okay. Climbing takes a long time, and we will walk in a long journey, long distance. So we have to prepare ourselves mentally to encourage ourselves to reach the destination that we want to go. And for me, I've been preparing my mental and physical condition for climbing for about 2 or 3 weeks before climbing.
That's a long.
Yeah.
That's quite long, yeah. Okay, how about the stuff? Do we have to be prepared?
Mm,
Could you please answer, Hisham?
Other than we have prepare. Number one is career. Number two is clothes. Number three is shoes. Number four is blanket.
Okay.
Number five mattress.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Sleep mattress.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you not bring food?
yeah. I'm hungry.
Okay, so we have to bring food too. Okay, is there any specific shoes that we have to use when we are hiking?
So we have to use climbing shoes or hiking shoes because it's specially designed for mountain. Yeah, because the track is slippery, so we have to use hiking shoes with the grip. We need to use it.
Okay, guys, don't use sneaker because it's dangerous and slipper.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, what an insightful information from Hisham and Fatah. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 3. So, can you guys tell us from your hiking experience, is there any unforgettable moment?
No.
Seriously, no? Seriously? Maybe you meet a ghost or you got lost?
Yes.
Oh, you got lost?
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you get lost? Which mountain? Yeah, which mountain?
Mountain Ungaran.
Oh, so how long you been lost?
Maybe 1 hour.
Okay, so how did you came back to the right route?
I realized I was on the wrong path because the road was always going up.
Oh, so it's a different route.
Yes.
Okay.
I stopped for a moment.
Mhm.
Then I immediately turned around
Okay.
and run because I was little bit panic because
Okay. So
I heard the sound of gamelan.
oh, so it's
so
kind
scary.
yeah, it's kind of panorama experience there.
Yeah.
Do you see any ghosts or something?
No.
Oh, you just hear,
Yeah, yeah.
the music.
gamelan.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god,
It's so scary.
I could have been cried at the moment. And you hear that 1 hour or
Um,
just a moment
Just
in the
just a moment.
beginning
Yeah.
or and how did you met the other people?
I ran while blowing the whistle and finally I'm back on the right path.
Oh, so what kind of activities that are you simply hiking alone?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Fatah?
For me,
Mm-hmm.
actually, I've once been leader for an event called Resmai Pala Pratiksar.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Could you guys please told us how what is Resmapala?
Yeah.
Yes, I see Resmapala in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here we can see the Resmapala symbol.
That's
is
an interesting question.
Mm-hmm.
We both actually Resmai Pala member.
Oh.
Yeah. So Resmai Pala is we can call it a group of people that
A
love
community.
community of students, especially in Semambat Semarang,
Mm-hmm.
that love nature, care about environment, and we love hiking.
Oh, wow, that's so interesting. Okay, could you please continue story?
Okay, so that was an event called I have called it Pratiksar Resmai Pala. It is basically a lot of training for our new members during that time. We go in about 3 days. 2 days journey
Mm-hmm.
in Mount Ungaran, and we did night hiking that time, night hiking and day hiking. So we have two hiking event. The first thing is night hiking.
Mm-hmm.
In the first day, we did a night hike to the base
Mm-hmm.
that is located in one of the cave on the hill nearby the mountains that we
Oh,
actually
so-
climb.
So it's not exactly the mountain.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
beside the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
And then we continue our journey next day in the morning to the mountain top that we actually want to climb.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, what's this responsibility as their leader?
So
Do you
yeah,
learn a new thing or something?
yeah, that's a lot of thing and a lot of experience for me. It's actually my first and maybe the last time because now I am in the 12th grade. I cannot participate in that event anymore. So so it's maybe my first and my last time in such an activity because now I'm in 12th grade, so I cannot participate in that kind of event anymore.
Okay. Wow, that's quite cool, yeah. So Fatah is being the leader for a lot of people. Oh, could you please tell us how many people there?
Yeah, this is one of the interesting part of that because at that time we have 30 members,
Oh,
new
wow,
members
that's a
that joined.
lot.
Yes,
It's
30.
actually been quite a long time since we have that many members.
Oh, wow. Applause for Fatah.
And that's Mapala.
Okay, that's not bad. Do you dare, Hisham?
Oh, you guys go hiking together.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys have been hiking together for 2 times, though.
Yes.
Yeah, we could say so.
Oh. Okay. Please continue your story, Fatah.
Okay, so that was a long journey actually. Yeah. We did the night hiking. So me and my partner in the organizer, we have to stay all night to make sure that all the participant has got to the base. Yeah, and then we continue that night by doing some evaluations for the next morning.
Also, you really got a big responsibility
Yeah.
for taking care
Of
for all the members. Yeah. Okay, that's very cool. So we got a paranormal experience and get lost in Mountain Maran from Hisham, and we got being a leader for a lot of people by Fatah. It's very insightful story from both of you guys. It's very a pleasure for us to have you guys here sharing your story about your hiking adventure.
It's a pleasure for us to share our story with you guys.
Okay, so I think that's the end of our podcast today. Sadly, we have to end
Leave.
our podcast. Yes. So hopefully, we guys could invite you in another moment. Thank you so much for sharing your hiking experience for us today in MDPL podcast. We would like to thank you guys for your participants today. Oh, and we would like to see you guys in another episode of MDPL. So we've come to the end of today's episode of MDPL, and stay tuned for our next episode of MDPL. Have a nice day and see you guys at the next adventure of hiking. Bye bye.
Hard to climb or
It's easy or hard?
Oh,
Riding bicycle. Okay. For a lot of people by Fatah. So when did we go hike together?